planning of the Indonesian government to open international tourists in Bali in October 2021.
Yo
Yo,
guys!
what's up?
So we are in the new place in Ubud. It's actually the restaurant bar, something like this, on the middle of the jungle next to the big road. So we're gonna show you this place around, and also we have a few very important informations to share to you today. So very exciting vlog. Stay tuned. Starting from the parking area, it's quite a big parking area actually, by the way, on the corner, very big corner in the middle of the jungle. Not sure actually what's the name of this place. However, the restaurant looks pretty nice, modern, but in the jungle, so it's something really fresh and new. Winnie is here. They have a beautiful temple. It's morning in Ubud, so it's actually nice sun, but it's already very busy. It's about 9 o'clock at morning, but so many people already around. So here is the place for the photo session. As you see, some people making professional pictures or semi-professional anyway, so not gonna disturb them anyway. I'm gonna go down. There is also part of the restaurant, cyclists this morning also, and here, actually everywhere. But one thing what I can say, there so many people, but all the local Indonesian. I'm only 331 foreigner here right now. People making pictures, working, coffee. The middle of the jungle, there is the street, and I'm gonna show you outside a little bit. There is the bridge and jungle, so that's how it looks like. So many offerings, by the way, people praying always on the bridges in Bali, and that's how it looks. Little bit of the jungle vibe, canyon and river. Whew, river is actually quiet, falling down, middle of the jungle, and the restaurant from the outside looks like this. All right, our beautiful breakfast arrived. This is the hash brown something on egg and beans. And sayang have, what is it? Avocado toast. You are from Canggu, sayang, or some sort of?
No. Yeah.
At least no nasi.
Okay, no nasi.
That's
Alright.
good. All right.
Smacznego.
Smacznego.
Selamat makan. Alright guys, so I read one interesting news from the immigration. I think that this is just updated yesterday. It's about the new requirements for those who are living in Indonesia. If for those foreigners who still living in Indonesia and then their visa already expired or something like that, and then you want to apply the new visas, so you need to show the proof of fully vaccine card, and you need to upload that files. And yeah, this is the problem, that for those who don't vaccinated yet, you have to leave the country,
but
something like that, right?
Actually, if you are not vaccinated anyway, you cannot do much anyway in Bali or in general in Indonesia. So yeah.
So yeah, what we can say then, you have to showing the health insurance and also the proof of the bank account, something like that, and then you have to write the papers regarding to the health protocols. So something like that I read from the news from the immigration website. Okay, so the second article that I read is about the planning of the Indonesian government to open international tourists in Bali in October 2021. So in this article said, the Minister Luhut and then the Minister of Tourism Sandiaga Uno, and then I think that when last time when they came to Bali, and then they have a meeting, I think, and then in this article saying that they plan to open international tourism in Bali in October. And it's in this article also explaining that by looking at the trend nowadays, the number case of cough going down, and then they plan to open international tourists slowly. And then they said here they plan only open for the countries which has the low case number. For example, South Korea, Japan, Singapore, and New Zealand.
Only
And
that?
Luhut, this one, the most important thing. And Luhut also explained that the tourists who came to Bali you guys still need quarantine. But yes, this one, Australia can join in the list if the vaccination can reach the target 80% in November. By 19th of September now, at least 46% of Australian people already fully vaxxed. This is a news that hopefully, yeah, the opening of the international tourists can be can be real, yeah. It's not like last time, because last time they planned to open in July but they closed. But hopefully it's not that fake hope anymore.
So, by simple words, not much is changing. You still need to quarantine if you come, so it's not like for the 1 or 2 week holiday makers. Only 4 countries. Now actually, this is only you're gonna save $300-400 on the visa. This is the only difference about that. Also, very interesting fact is, I have one friend, he's Canadian, he have a business in Thailand, and he just come yesterday or 2 days ago to Thailand and Phuket Sandbox, and nothing has changed. Actually, he have to stay in the hotel, one hotel for 2 weeks, 3 tests and stuff like this. The only difference is, as he no need to quarantine, like stay only in the hotel, he can travel around Phuket Island. So that's the only differences, right? So
All right, so another interesting article here is said that Minister of Tourism will use the 3 green zones in Bali. It's called Sanur, Ubud, and Nusa Dua. And here, based on the article, it says the tourists also have to apply the tracing app, like the Peduli Lindungi. So wherever you go,
Yeah.
like you go to the tourist places, you have to scan, the barcode, the Peduli Lindungi diri, and then you everywhere, including the supermarket. I think some supermarket in Denpasar nowadays, applying the tracing code, and the malls, and yeah. And I see that last time in the news, the vice governor also make a trial of the tracing app in Kuta Beach. So yeah, maybe later on in all tourist places will be tracked with the tracing app Peduli Lindungi. So when I was walking around, and then seems this restaurant is already fully booked. I mean, like almost all the tables are full. So yeah, basically is that nowadays the trend in Bali is that if the restaurant is Instagrammable, no matter how far is the restaurant, people will come. You see? Taking pictures. Alright, so this is what I told you.
Yeah, yes, Winnie.
Whenever you are going to the restaurant or in the cashier, so you have to scan the tracing app Peduli Lindungi. So make sure whenever you go to the restaurant, you are already fully vaccinated.
yeah,
So Damian
Much?
already scanned his vaccine card. And
210?
everything. So yeah. Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Ubud. As usual, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!